Hello again everybody. Today I have my design package from Baby Craft for November to share with you. We'll get right into it. I've got some nice things once again this month. Oh look, they're individually packaged. I didn't realise that. That's great. Okay, so the first thing I got was these bead caps. Oh, they're so pretty. And these are resin bead caps. There are 120 of them in 6 different colours. I'll take one out to show you. Oh, so pretty. So there we go. They're little flowers. Aren't they pretty? So I'll have those to play, and they're quite thick. You know, they're not going to break or anything like that. They're really pretty, aren't they? I have seen some things made using these sorts of things, so I'm going to have a bit of fun playing with those. So there's that lovely blue-green colour, like a mint, perfect pale pink, lovely pearl colour, some purple, some, it's like a violet, I guess you could call it, and this beautiful, beautiful rose colour. So lovely, lovely bead caps there to play with this month. And the next thing I got was some more beads. And I got these, and these are seed beads. And they are Japanese seed beads. They are 3mm seed beads, and I got them in a light, they're called light Topaz sea foam colour. Ooh. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, I love those. Look at those. Oh, aren't they pretty? The colour is just lovely. Sometimes it gets a bit darker. There we go. Let's see. There you go. Oh, they're so pretty. The colour actually might be easier if I get... I've got a little doily here. If I put that on my hand and show you a couple, it might be a little bit easier to see. So, so pretty. They've got like a touch of gold on them as well. So they are just lovely. And it says 10 grams. I don't know how many you get of them. Not quite sure, but there's quite a few in there anyway. So let's pop those to the side. And the next thing, oh, I'm excited to see these. I will have to open them though. And these are CHG Craft. That's what they are. And there's 4 pieces. And what they are crystal rhinestone tassel hearts. Ooh, so sparkly. Oh, wow. And so they're like a brooch. Well, they are a brooch, if you want to use them like a brooch. Oh, look at that. So they actually form a heart shape. Aren't they beautiful? So beautiful. So there's that one. They're all the same. I'm just need to do the pins up so I don't stab myself. That one's already done up, and then this one here. And of course, I want to use these for Christmas. Of course I do. There we go. Oh, so sparkly. So beautiful. Now, I've got a bauble here. This is probably too big, but a smaller one. How beautiful. So, yep, I'm going in that direction with those ones. Absolutely gorgeous. Love them. So sparkly. So sparkly. Let me just bring one up so you can see it up close. Really beautiful. Very happy with those. Okay, the next thing I got was some thread. Now, some of you may recall that I got the package with the waxed thread in them. I love these. I love these. These are perfect, especially for journal making. You get all this variety of lovely colours to use to bind your journals. And so I thought, I was so happy with those that I would get some normal thread. So these are polyester sewing thread. You get 50 rolls in the box. So you get all of these ones here. Now, I'm not quite sure if these are the same size as my sewing machine or not, but, you know, that's easy enough to fix, isn't it? You know, if they're a slightly different one, but they... We'll have to see. The depth of them is the same. So I'll have to just try it and see. But those are all the colours on that side. And then you flip it over and you have all of those colours on that side. Now, you don't just need to use these in sewing machines. Of course, if you enjoy your slow stitching and things, these are perfect. You've got all these different colours. It's just lovely. So we'll see how we go with those. And I do have a sewing project in mind, and I'll talk to you about that in a moment. So the next thing I got was this, and this is 21 yards of trim. It's a gimp braid, and it's in gold and white. A while ago I got a silver one of these, and so I got the gold one in preparation for Christmas, of course. So that's wonderful. 50 yards of that, and it's not thick at all. It's very dainty, actually, which is lovely. That's really nice. And it's not like bright white, which is lovely as well. So that one's that. And then, ooh, this is exciting. Let me just put these like that. It's a bit glary, so I'll open that up. That way you can see what it is. And I might just put those in there and just leave one of them out. Like that. There we go. A bit more room now. Now, what I got. The first thing I got was some jacquard ribbon. It's an embroidered ribbon. It's 1 1/4 inches wide, and there are 17.5 yards on this. And it has a silver thread going through it, if you can see that. And it's not too thick either. I was worried it might be a bit too heavy for what I wanted, but it doesn't appear to be. Now, That being said, I'm not sure if it's going to work for what I wanted, so I might need to find another use for it, but we'll see. So what I got 2 packs of some floral cotton fabric. It says it's for quilting and patchwork. They are fat quarter bundles. They measure 16 by 20 inches. And there are 8 pieces in each pack. Both packs are the same, so I'll only open one of them. So I haven't sort of gone through it yet, so we'll have a look at this together. As usual, everything is packaged beautifully. I'll just move those up a little bit so I've got a bit more room. This. So that's it. Oh, so nice big pieces. Look at that. So that's one. And what did it say? 8 pieces. That's the other. Another one. And these are in yellow tones, and I know you never see me use yellow, barely ever, unless it's a flower in a journal or something. But I just thought I'd do something a little bit different. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, that's a bit bright. Maybe not that one. I can use that for edges or something. There's that one. That one's really pretty. Oh, we have giraffes. Giraffes. It's all right. Our dog has a toy giraffe, and I call it giraffe. Sorry about that. So that one, we might use that one. And then there's that one, which is ever so pretty. It's a very pale one. Now, what I had in mind for this was I was watching a lady by the name of Kate. She has a channel called The Last Homely House. And she made a kimono-style dressing gown out of fabric squares, like a patchwork effect. And when I saw these, I thought, this will be perfect. So I got the 2 packs. And it's because it's almost summer here, I thought the yellow would be very, very refreshing. I usually only have blue dressing gowns for some reason. And I thought I'd do something a bit different. Maybe I can use that as a bit of piping or something like that on it. And what I was going to do was use this down the front of it. Now, I'm not quite sure this, you know, will go with it because it's just, it might do. We'll wait until I've finished it, and I will be filming a tutorial. Well, I'll be filming like a craft with me because it's, like I said, I saw another lady do it, so I will be filming different stages of it. So it might go. It's just for at home. It's just for around the house. I'm not going to line it like she lined hers because we have a very hot climate here, and one layer of cotton is too much sometimes in the summer. So I might use the giraffes. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. And then that lovely one there. So I'm hoping the 2 packs will be enough, but I have other fabrics that might complement them quite nicely with blue tones if it's not quite enough. and hopefully we'll see if I use this or not. If not, I'm sure I'll find other things. It looks wonderful, actually. I was just thinking. For Christmas, that could work, couldn't it? It's got the silver going through it, and it's got the navy blue, and I love navy blue and silver together. And I do blue at Christmas time, so all is not lost if I don't use it on this project. So thank you ever so much for joining me today, unpacking these lovely items from BB Craft. Thank you, Lisa from BB Craft, for these wonderful items. I'm looking forward to getting into a sewing project and another project. So I'll be doing 2 projects with these items for the month of November. I will put a link in the description box below to these items and to BB Craft if you are interested in taking a look. So thank you everybody for watching, and take care. Bye.